I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to sign out of your Netflix account on all of the devices you're currently signed into using the Netflix mobile app. Step 1. Open the Netflix app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device and then tap your profile icon in the menu on this screen. You'll land on the My Netflix screen. Step 2. Tap the menu icon on this screen. A menu pops up. Step 3. Tap Account in this menu. Step 4. Swipe down this screen until you get to the Devices section and then tap Access and Devices. A list of devices that have recently been signed into Netflix with your account is displayed. Step 5. Navigate down to the bottom of this screen and then tap Sign Out of All Devices. A window pops up asking if you're sure you want to sign out of your Netflix account on all devices. Step 6. Tap Sign Out. You'll immediately be signed out of your Netflix account on all of the devices that you're currently signed into. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.